Dear Sir, hello. I am the Director and CEO of Wangibai Machinery Company Limited. Our company was established in 1996 and has been supplying various brand series of engineering machinery equipment all year round. We adhere to the concept of integrity management to ensure that every customer can purchase reliable machinery. For overseas customers who come to our company, we provide dedicated transportation and 5-star hotel accommodation so that every customer can enjoy the best quality service in the process of selecting machinery. We hope to cooperate with you and look forward to your inquiry.